Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video gonna to show you how to find themes in Google Chrome. So guys, if you want to find themes in Google Chrome, so very easy. Firstly, open Chrome browser. After click on three dots. After click on settings. Now scroll down. After click on theme. Click this. If you want to choose themes, if you want to choose, after click on add to Chrome. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to find theme in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.